Hi everyone, it's the 14th of August. We had the break of this green wedge to the upside as expected, and it came to this golden broken resistance, support for a back test. And we also have this blue top band as a potential resistance. If it moves on and smashes through this blue top band, then I think we're almost going to get to a new all-time high. Almost guaranteed to get to a new all-time high because the red bull flag is broken. The last bearish one is the blue bear flag. If we break it to the upside, then I wouldn't say a new all-time high, but certainly to back to these levels, which is 5,600. What was that? That gap fill is there a gap? A little gap there at 5,602. That's the minimum target. SPX cash is the same picture. It actually pushed through this golden broken support. And the last one is that blue top band. We may also have this one last overhead resistance. So that blue and the other blue, let's put this in black color, right? So we may see a touch on the blue plus black and then come down. So that level is 54.80, 54.75, 54.80. So that's the kind of the range where it may reverse. And if we look at the same picture on the ES futures continuous or continuous futures, it is, I'm going to put that same line from the previous all-time high. This is the high of beginning of August. So basically, yeah, that's like 2 weeks ago. And I'm going to put this also in black. And yep, that is kind of the double resistance that may reverse things again. And the level for that would be 5,504, 500, 500, 505. That's the kind of the range, but it's around 5,500. You can see here. So that could become a double resistance, that black plus blue double resistance. Dow Jones, it has, on the other hand, is forcing the red top band. It pushed beyond the black top band, and you can see the red top band is holding, but a little push beyond it would break this bear flag to the upside. So Dow Jones may give the best bullish signal here. If it can break this red top band, we will have a new rally starting. And you can see this golden channel is still intact. You can see this is kind of a really nice golden channel. I'm going to remove the green one because it didn't really come down to that level. I wish it did, but it didn't. And this is the gold, our guidance is this golden. It's out of the black. It has to break the red top band to get to possibly back to that 42,000 plus. So yeah, bulls are not dead yet, Dow Jones cash is more or less the same picture. It's the green resistance that is being broken back up. So, and it's also the black top band is gone and the red top band is being forced to be broken. So you can see here, it is forcing it. Any move beyond, today, if it goes beyond 39,700, 39,875 would do that breakout. NASDAQ continuous futures has broken yesterday. It broke this golden resistance rail. That was quite clear. It was very eager to break it now, and it also now cleared that blue resistance that had originated from the previous all-time highs in like beginning of July. Okay, now we have a back test on that blue and golden. And from here, I'm expecting it to rally to that red top band. And that will be the next major the next resistance, potential resistance. I think the backtest is going to be around, well, 900, 18,900, something like that. And from there, I'm expecting the rally towards 19,750 at least. NASDAQ cash is the same. The blue resistance is broken. The red diagonal resistance is broken. And the backtest is going to hold. Most certain, I mean, it's a high probability trade if you want to buy it. That level is 18,830, something like that. And from there, I'm expecting NASDAQ to rally at least towards 19,700. So it's almost like a 900 points rally. That's what I'm expecting. Russell is off the red. I mean, the bear flag hasn't been broken, and it is now going to push against that blue resistance one more time. If it can push, and I think it could rally it back to 2,200. Obviously, if this red bottom band breaks, that would be a bear flag break, and it should target. So Russell is the weakest link. FTSE is trying to break out of the green bull flag. I mean, it will probably going to try it. It's not the very nice bull flag, is it? So it's like quite a sloppy bull flag there. Do we have an uptrend? Possible uptrend? Possibly not. No, not really. Yeah, maybe. It's probably this red uptrend that has formed. Okay, and well, yeah, and it should break the green and get to 8,550. DAX had broken the wedge. That was a bearish wedge, but it came down, it backtested, it came down again. Then it broke out of the black little bull flag. Now, I'm going to remove the wedge because it just made a new high. So that wedge, bearish wedge, is no more. This is a very critical level for DAX. And I kept telling you that the red failed bull flag's backtest may cause a reversal. So far, it is holding as resistance. That is a perfect resistance here. But for a bearish reversal, proper reversal, it has to break back into the black broken bull flag. And I'm going to now show some short-term stuff. Yeah, like, look. For a proper bearish reversal, the green black supports have to be broken for DAX to come down again properly. Otherwise, if it breaks back into the red, it should get at least towards 18,200 or so. DAX has been very unreliable, I must admit. Obviously, this green line got tested, but on the 2-hourly it did. On the 4-hourly, it was quite far from the it's right on it. So my broker has been giving me wrong charts, and actually I think they now corrected it, and now that green support you can see here, that green line was potential support, and last time I checked it wasn't really tested. Now it tells me it was the perfect test. This is why data is so important on technical analysis. We have to have reliable data. That double support, that support on the green held. We bounced off it. Now, is it going to come down to break it, or is it going to keep on pushing after breaking back into the red? That's the big question, and we'll see. French index had broken everything. Yeah, golden, blue, and it's inside the purple downtrend still. I don't see any other bullish action. TLT, you can see TLT has to, well, get to that green top band, and then we'll see whether that green one is going to hold as major resistance. Same with 10-year Treasury note, that blue top band. Oil, this is US oil, and it's testing the green bottom band now as a potential support. So if it does hold, we have to see a big bounce here. But then after that, a break to the downside without breaking that golden resistance would, of course, turn things very bearish again. Okay, and my target, hopefully it will be still around $70 so that we can buy. Brent oil is the same. The green bottom band is about to hold, and I think it will hold. And if it does hold, we have one more up, one more move up. Without breaking that blue major resistance, I think we're gonna see it coming down one more time, hopefully to that blue support rail. Yeah, right. This blue support rail from 2021. That's the long-term picture. Natural gas is inside this green little ball flag. It has broken the red internal resistance. It's also maybe inside the blue uptrend, which is why I think if this blue bottom band holds, we break out of the green bull flag and we get to 20. I mean, on the continuous, the red top band resistance is at 24, just over 24.25 or so. So for the continuous, for the September contract alone, it is inside the possible red uptrend. Okay, something like this. It's inside the green bull flag, and the golden top band is at 23 something. Yeah, 23.25 maybe. And it's also this gap fill that may happen. Gold is extremely important here. Well, it's forcing that blue resistance to break. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It kind of got back to it, but so far it didn't really make an attempt. And also, this purple uptrend is broken and it's getting back tested. So gold is extremely important here. If it can push beyond 24.75, it would get to 2500 and even smash that golden major resistance. That is a major 4-touch, 1, 2, 3, 4-touch resistance beyond 2500 and really start the next big leg up. But if we see a reversal today, it could come down to that red bottom band and even come all the way to 2350. Unlikely, but we have to watch the price action, and that blue resistance is very important to be dealt with. Now, gold spot. This is the continuous futures. Look at this red. I mean, when it touched the red and it was bouncing, I said this red support is now holding, and we're going to see 24.75 at least. That's exactly what we have now. For a major break, this is the level for the futures, the current futures. It's 2500 as well. Anything beyond 2505 is going to look very bullish. Silver has back tested the green broken channel, and it so far didn't really reverse. So also very, very important. Like if it starts to reverse, gold may also, I mean, especially I think if gold reverses to come like to sell, I think silver will sell as well. And it will sell towards $25 to find this support. And on the platinum, it's still not out of the woods yet because of the red top band. And if this green support breaks, we have one more leg down, possibly towards 900 or 900 or 875, and from there I would be expecting a new rally. Okay, so all three metals may still sell off one more time before their major run starts. This is copper, and copper is inside. So remember that blue 393, yeah, 393 long call. We are at 407. That is beautiful if you are long 393. We bounced off the red bottom band. That's perfect. The blue bottom band, that's the perfect 393 double support. Broke the green resistance. It is now inside the golden little uptrend, which is also a potential bear flag. For the bear flag to be invalidated, it has to get to the golden top band and smash it. And I think that is going to happen. Because if it breaks the golden support, it would come down to this blue, and it will maybe even break it because it already has 3 touches. That blue one has 3 touches. So it really, the only way for copper to rally is by breaking the golden top band and get to 425, 430, and then even smash that red top band. All right, now let's have a look at euro, right? That euro is finally, you can see the green resistance was broken. It got back tested right here. Perfect back test. It now is pushing that blue diagonal resistance, which was the last man standing, and it is now making a new all-time new marginal high. This is now out in the open. It has broken free. In my opinion, euro is not going to come down for a very long time. Even pound is breaking back into this green broken channel, which is of course bullish. It really has to break 130. If it can do 130, it is going to do 140 as well. So that is my target, because that golden resistance is a giant one, and at 130 it would be broken. US dollar, Japanese yen is probably, I mean, it may backtest the red, but after that I'm expecting downside. DXY's perfect reversal at that red broken bear flag, failed bull flag. Yeah, it reversed there and it's coming down. Aussie dollar is also rallying. Maybe this time that blue top band will be broken. We don't know that yet, but Kiwi is the best bullish signal if it can break that golden major resistance. So we'll see. Okay, I think I saw one more resistance here, which is this one, right? This blue shorter term resistance. That should be broken. It wasn't really tested. Could get to that pullback and then break, and then the golden resistance may break too. Okay, now we have the agriculturals. Coffee is coming down for a 227 gap fill. And from that 227, I'm still expecting 250, then 275. And then after that, we'll see whether it could slash through that and get to 300 plus. Similarly, you can see the black channel on the more longer term. That purple resistance has to be broken at 250, and the black top bottom band is holding. And 270, 227 gap fill, still inside the black channel. I think if you're not long, you can still buy 227. With the stop at 223. Actually, if you're buying 227, your stop would be 223, and your target will be 275. So that's a massive upside. Wheat, green support is holding, blue veg is broken to the upside, and it has to really get to the red top band and smash through. So that this is a really bullish, maybe like a bottom out signal, but we haven't seen anything yet. That's the problem. And wheat, short term, like September contract, is that black golden. We still haven't pushed towards that green plus golden potential resistance. Soybeans is in free fall. It's at 950 now, and even this red support is holding at the moment. It's a very, very like declining support, broken red declining support. It still is very, very steep decline, and on the continuous futures, do we have some gaps down here? Yes, there is a gap below 900. That's a very old gap. Is it going to get filled? Well, we'll see. Corn has to break that blue top band and start to rally, and corn September contract also, that blue top band has 4 touches now, and I think it will be broken. Next time it will be broken, and that would become a really nice bullish signal. Cocoa is inside the green uptrend, and it bounced off it, and it basically broke out of the red. Now the blue top band will be broken too, and cocoa is going to start to rally again. Sugar, not sure what it's trying to do. Again, here, very, very sloppy. It's not really doing much, so we will have to wait. And last one is cotton. Yeah, not much to see here either. Now we have Bitcoin. that has broken that golden channel to the broken channel, broke down that channel, had broken down, but the blue bull flag had failed when it dropped here, but now it's recovered really fast. Is it going to get to 70,000? That is the big question. We don't know that yet. Ethereum is still backtesting that golden broken support, which is holding as resistance, but it's pushing slightly. The red broken support, I think, is going to become a major resistance at 2880, 2870. From there, I would at least start to next leg down. But is it going to break this green channel, or is it going to come down and then rally higher? Very, very important days for Ethereum. Solana inside the golden uptrend, so golden bull flag. CAS inside the green sideways channel, failed after the failed attempt. PAL inside the purple. Pepe inside the green bull flag. ACH, I think maybe ACH looks slightly interesting. Not really, actually. No, excuse me, not ACH. Aave. Aave is off the green support, but it has to break the red, get to the blue top band and break that as well. BNB is inside this green bull flag. If it breaks the green bull flag, I think it's going to get to 700 and try to break that blue major sideways channel once more. It will try it again. Last ton, no. Uni, no, not really. Monero, no. 180, not really. Ripple has to break this blue giant triangle to run, and Zcash is looking very, very good. It's already 44. I gave you at 36. I said 36 is going to be broken and we may have a big rally. So now it's the time to look for the longer term. That green major resistance, if it does break, Zcash may start a really, really big one. But I think first, let me show you something here. All right, it's this one that worries me. Okay, that blue top band, okay, has to hold for it to come down one more time. If it doesn't hold, if it gets completely ignored, that will be the end of it, and it would actually rally to the green resistance and smash through. So Zcash may be up to something, but first it has to really push on and slice through that blue top band. We'll see. All right, guys. I hope it helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm cutting the altcoins analysis short because there is not many things very interesting at the moment. Okay, take care.